I'll never say you are God. So let's start right. Yes, baby. Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Special Pillars. This is Rhoda here. Today I am going grocery shopping at Costco, um, and I'm going to be shopping for 1 month's worth of grocery. And I'll also be making a very wonderful, simple stir fry dinner at the end. So stay with me. Let's go. So I'm done shopping grocery items, and it's time to go buy grocery store, actual food stuff. Right. So, um, you know, have you ever found yourself wandering along the kitchen aisle in the department store or the shopping mall? I always, whenever I go to any place, a big shopping mall, a big department store, I always wander along the kitchen equipment aisle, right? That was what I was doing here. But I told myself that I had already told all of God's people on this channel, right, that we are going to be spending prudently in the new year. We are not going to be buying things that we did not plan to buy. So I am committed to staying true to that. And I hope you are. If you have made any purchases that you shouldn't have made, this is still early. Remind yourself what we are doing, okay? Let's not spend, okay, on impulse. Let's keep our purses intact, okay? And buy just what is on our list. And this really brings me to the next thing. Listen, if you go to Costco, make sure you go with a list, okay? Don't just come there hoping to look around, but you're going to buy more than you bargained for, or more than you actually need, I think, at the given period in time. And then I personally think that Costco is not a place for like single person shopping. Well, it could be in some sense, right? Say if you're buying something that is not necessarily food items, okay, other stuff, that you can use at home. Because for food items, I feel like people who have large families, um, if you like bulk buying, then Costco is the place for you. But if not, just go to things like places like No Frills. Although I think that No Frills is, somewhat expensive. I think so. Yeah, I really think so. Yeah, but if you're looking to find tiny amount of stuff in Costco, you're not gonna find that. So Costco is for bulky buying, bulky shopping, and all of that. They're always packing two in one, three in one, four in one, and very really large quantities of stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'm done shopping. I'm going to call you now to go home. Yes. Caesar. This is going to be part of the dinner that I want to make. Eggs. Some things. Probiotic yogurt drink for my babies. Maple syrup. And the kiwi. Na-enwe ntutu ọkụ ya, na-enwe ajị. Okay, so these are fruits, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, berries, grapes. Yeah. So after organizing all of the things that I bought from the market, I got ready to make dinner, right? I'd already prepared all of the things I'll be needing for dinner today. I'm going to be making chicken stir fry. Don't worry, I will put all the list of ingredients that I used in the description box so you can check in there for all of the ingredients and their measurements. And then you can just watch what I do here because I don't really like talking too much in these videos. So watch what I do and try to recreate it if you like. I think you will love it because it was very yummy. Okay.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life. Every second, every day.
You're fabulous. How are you? How is your day? So for this meal, we are going to be eating with some vegetables, and I am using broccoli and some carrots, right? Put some water in a pot, add some salt, let it boil, add a little bit of olive oil, and then you add the vegetables and let them steam for roughly 2 minutes. Shouldn't be up to 2 minutes exactly, but 2 minutes is top, right? And then you sift it out into icy cold water. just to make sure that it retains its crunch, right? Like this. Look at the what I have here. So I'm going to sift it out in the sieve and then pour the vegetable into the icy cold water, just so it can be crunchy, so that the it will stop the cooking process and just allow the vegetable to still maintain some crunchiness to it. All right. Tostos. Chili. Watches. Ginger water. Or raisins. I soaked it in water, in the ginger water a little bit. Can't find yours. So guys, today was a long one, but it was a fulfilling day, right? Because you know I was able to do this massive shopping because I have shopped for at least 1 month. Yes. We're not going to be doing any other major grocery shopping for now. And then I made this wonderful chicken stir fry sauce. My family loved it. My husband loved it. I loved it. It was yummy. And yeah, and now after everything I've gone, I've taken my shower. I took my time, just pampered my body, exfoliated with this Dove, what's it called? Yeah, Dove. Exfoliated my body with Dove body scrub. Just took my time, did some skincare routine for my face, and I am feeling fly. I feel so ready to go to bed and sleep a wonderful sleep. Thankfully, tomorrow is Saturday. Yeah, I feel re-energized. I feel I feel strengthened, okay, for the week ahead because it's going to get crazy very soon. Very busy on Monday going forward, but the Lord is my strength. So I encourage you. I know that many of the school kids, those of if you have children in your house, they are resuming next week, and maybe you're already thinking, how back to all those rush in the morning and everything. Take it easy. Please find a schedule, write it down, and allow God to help you. Okay, trust God to help you. Take a deep breath. Encourage yourself. Next week is going to come. You're going to get over it smoothly. And you're going to continue getting over the coming weeks until the semester or the term ends again. Okay? For your family. And then it will be long vac, right? Long vacation. Summer vacation. And yeah, wonderful. All right, so thank God for it, for everything. You guys, I'm so happy. I just felt like bantering, this evening before I go to bed. So thanks for chilling with me. God bless you. I will see you in my next video, okay? Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't even understand what you're waiting for. Please press the like button right now, and subscribe. Tap the notification bell so that when we upload a video, you will be among the first people to know. God bless you so much. Good night.
And I know exactly what